Hello, third grade. I know you guys are just about ready to take your quiz over the prayers of the Rosary and the mysteries of the Rosary. But before you started taking that quiz, I wanted to go through this diagram of the Rosary with you. I chose a different one because it's a little bit bigger and easier to see. Also, it has letters instead of numbers, and I thought that might be easier so you're not thinking I'm referring to a question of your quiz, but actually the beads on the rosary. The only difference between this rosary picture and the one that was in our lessons is that this one is just kind of flipped the other way. Okay, so instead of having the crucifix on the bottom of the rosary and having all of the five decades on the top, the five decades are kind of there, and the crucifix part is in the middle. So it's just kind of like folded inside it. But I'm going to go ahead and go through really quickly the direction and how you would say this rosary, okay? Just based on this picture. So as always, we start with a crucifix, okay? So we're going to start with a crucifix, make our way up the crucifix, or up the rosary, and then you're going to go this way. So this will be the first decade of the rosary. The second decade is right here. The third decade of the rosary is right here, this part right on the bottom. You're going to make your way over to the fourth decade of the rosary. And this would be the fifth decade of the rosary. When you're all finished, you stop at the medallion. So B right here is the medallion, and that's where we say that one special prayer at the end, okay? Some other things I want to point out. This part right here, H, this little swirly, scrolly line is referring to all three of these beads together. So if you see a question and it asks you about what's happening on letter H, they're asking about all three of these beads together, okay? The same thing with X over here on the side. This X is talking about all of the prayers that are in between this line, okay? Let's see what else. Some of the beads do not have a letter on them. I won't be asking you about any of the ones that don't have a letter unless it's like some of these, like G, U, D, E, and F. Those are all the same prayer. This one, I just didn't think we needed another letter on there. Some of the letters are pointing to the strings in between the beads or in between the bead and a crucifix. So don't get confused if it's asking what happens in between those. We had talked about that in our videos that we had last week and the review from yesterday. Okay, so again, starting right here with your crucifix, you're going to go this way, wrap around first decade, second decade, third, fourth, here's your fifth decade, and then you're going to end on your medallion. Okay? All right, if you have any questions before you start your quiz, go ahead and send us an email and let us know. Otherwise, good luck.